In this video, is Bitcoin indicating a major bearish signal for the year 2025? Well, stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabs cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out videos like this. So it's been a while since we made a video. Nagbakasyon lang ako for the whole month of December. But yeah, we are now back and we are going to make more videos for this coming year. So yeah, let's now dive into this video and let's give you a quick recap of our previous analysis. So diba sa previous analysis natin, ang minomonitor natin was this massive bearish divergence forming in the daily time frame. You can see that the price was increasing while RSI is consistently declining. So isa lang ibig sabihin yan, we are going to see a Bitcoin movement back to either the support line or a Bitcoin bearish or a Bitcoin dump. So as you can see, we saw that one playing out exactly. But there is one more thing na gusto kong pag-usapan dito ngayon, and that is when you are going to look at this in the weekly time frame. Kasi zooming out, while Bitcoin may look like pwede pa siya mag-push higher, if you're going to look at this in the weekly time frame, you can see na we are seeing this increasing price action while, as you can see, RSI has now started to decline. So right now we are starting to see some early signs na that could define the whole year 2025. So what could this indicate? This can indicate that we can still see Bitcoin continue this upward trajectory following this 50-week moving average. So pwede siya umakit pa siya ng continue, but at the same time, when the RSI is still declining, that could indicate na we might see a massive correction and that could enter into a massive bear market na sa buong cryptocurrency market. So it may look good for the time being, but I think the best thing to do for this year is to take the profits na dito along the way, and kahit pa paano, even if may umakit pa rin si Bitcoin, mag-iwan lang kayo ng konting Bitcoin dyan, then the rest, i-withdraw ko siya. And of course, we are seeing a initial bearish signs nga dito kay Bitcoin. So yeah, right now I don't think na it's a good time to enter the crypto market. I think it's one of the good times to exit nga, and then saka tayo mag-enter ng panibagong entry kay Bitcoin. But yun, looking at this right now, we are seeing a bearish signal forming na nga dito kay Bitcoin. And the good thing about this is, if let's say na miss out nyo yung current bull cycle, then you still have a lot of time to re-enter na sa crypto market. You still have 2 to 3 years to re-enter, then saka nyo siya aabangan para makapag-pump ulit. And would this signify the end of the bull market? Well, honestly, it could signify the end of the bull market, but that is a good thing kasi as you all know, what goes up must also come down, kasi of course if you increase is very consistent at tuloy-tuloy, then of course pwede siya magkaroon ng malaking crash. So maganda na magkaroon siya ng malaking correction before we see Bitcoin go much higher. So right now, if I were you, I would take some profits na nga along the way and take advantage of this time to take profits na nga. But let's try to dive in sa mga smaller time frame and see if meron ba tayong tradable opportunity for the short term. So looking at this in the 4-hour time frame, let's try to close out this itong mga patterns, itong mga moving averages. So looking at this, I don't think na meron tayong clear pattern forming, but if let's say you are going to plot a support line dito, at the same time, if nagkaroon ng akit dito si Bitcoin, let's say nagpump siya dito pabalik at nagkaroon ng resistance dito sa previous all-time high, then that could indicate a double top pattern, and a double top pattern is a bearish pattern to the downside, so that could indicate another bearish sign nga kay Bitcoin if that happens. So right now hindi pa siya nangyayari, so it's just a potential just a potential prediction lang naman. But if let's say that does happen, then that could be the next Bitcoin move na we can take advantage. In that case, we can open a short position dito, and if that happens, then we can take the target price by getting the height of this double top, then lagyan natin siya potential point of breakout. Then as you can see, we can see Bitcoin go back to the 78,000. Now 78k is only possible only if we are going to see that double top pattern form. So yeah, right now I don't think that there's a big thing to worry about, but in the bigger time frame, may subtle hints na nga tayo na may potential bearish signs for the whole crypto market in the year. But for now, wala pa naman tayo kaka-worry kasi wala pa naman actually nag-play out ng confirmation dito sa buong crypto market. Take note guys, if you want to take advantage of this next move, if let's say you want to open into a long or short position, make sure to trade this guys kay Bybit kasi kay Bybit mas mura yating Bitcoin trading fees. And if wala pa kayo account with Bybit, make sure to use our sign up link na you can find in the description down below. And if you want to learn yung mga analysis na ginagawa natin, we also have a Gabs Crypto 101 playlist that you can find in the description down below. So yeah guys, ayun lang muna update natin for the time being. We'll create more videos within the coming days. So yeah, make sure to hit the notification bell and click subscribe so you won't miss out our next video. So yun lang muna for the time being, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye for now.